Okay, we have an ENCO with a PROTOTRAK 2-axis CNC mill, model 949. The PROTOTRAK is a KMX control, serial number 210244. It was new in 2021, and we're going to run it for you. Machine has a variable speed head with an R8 spindle from 60 to 4200. It's running right now, very, very quiet machine. It's in a high range. Brake, forward and reverse. Putting into low gear. Oh, and also the machine has a single phase motor, which is great if you wanted to put it into a home shop or a shop that doesn't have 3-phase. Machine has a 9x49 table with 28 inches of cross travel and 12 inches of saddle. The Z is feeding the quill. The quill has 5 inches of quill travel. That's the X. That's your Y. All right. Also, you do have knee travel, 14 inches up and down. So, hey, come see the machine at our place. All right.